how to prepare your any occasion silicone bags for your regular coupler. Start by folding the silicone bag. Insert the white part of the coupler into the silicone bag. With this coupler, we want to make sure to cut way above the line where the threading is. Since these silicone bags are stretchy, we don't want to have a bigger opening and ruin the bags. Use a marker to mark where to cut the bag. Once you have made the cut, insert the white part of the coupler back in the silicone bag. Choose your favorite any occasion washable piping tip. Screw the green part back to the bag, and now you are ready to make a beautiful frosting design.